Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you're new to JavaScript, the first program you usually write is Hello World. So in this video, I will show you 3 easy ways to print Hello World using JavaScript. So let's get started. So I hope you are already familiar with HTML. So you must be already aware how to use Visual Studio Code, VS Code. So you can start the VS Code IDE and create a folder, and inside that folder I'll create a first HTML program called index.html. I'll write some sample boilerplate code. So now I will write a sample heading, sample 8. Now I want to include some JavaScript content inside this. So first we'll try to print a hello world statement in console log. So to use JavaScript inside an HTML, you need to um, add a script tag. So you need to add the script tag just before the closing body tag. So I'll add the script tag here. Now I can write all my JavaScript inside this script statement. So let me start by writing console log hello YouTubers. So now let me check the output. Let me run the live server. The live server is ready. So now where should I see this output? Console log. Console log statements are not printed on your HTML page. They are basically displayed on the console of the browser. So to see your console logs, so right click on the browser and click on inspect, and then go to the console tab. So now you should be able to see this hello YouTuber as the console log. You can add some more console log here. Hello YouTuber 2. So here you can see, if you refresh the page, 2 log statements will be printed. So this is the way you write a console log statement. Now let us try to write it in a different way. We can try using a alert box. So alert hello global citizens. So here you should be able to see a pop-up message displayed in the browser. If you reload the page, it will reload. So this is the second way, and let's see another way. So let us try to write a hello world inside the HTML page. Let us try to write. Uh, what can I do? I can create a div tag. Here I can add some ID or text, and I'll write text. Don't worry if you don't understand this code. We'll learn about this later in future videos. Hello. So now you can see hello is printed inside the HTML page using JavaScript. So this is how you write a hello world in JavaScript. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Thanks for watching.